Hey guys, Brady here, and here today I will show you how to make a Bukkit Minecraft server. And yes, it does not use mods, it's not a vanilla server, it uses plugins. So if you see other people using Bukkit servers and you know how they have like votes and stuff, that's all plugins. Modded servers are a bit different, as you can tell. So you just want to use Google. And you want to type in Bukkit, Bukkit, and I'll leave the links for the websites in the below. Not in the below, no, why do I keep saying in? Just below. Okay, Craft Bukkit, you want to click on that. So let's just continue. And then you want to click on the green arrow on the very top one, so it'll be the very latest build. Click on that. And then you want to click Keep. Wait for it. And then you're going to want to, nope, not that. Just drag it to your desktop. Close that. Then you want to create a new folder. Click Enter, no, and then you want to name it whatever you want. And I'll name mine Bukkit Server. Make sure to just make it say server. Okay, then you want to just, here, I'll just click clean up so it'll put it all in order. Put that in there. I like to get rid of all those numbers so it's going to be easier on what we're going to do. Delete all those numbers. Make it say that. Click X. Now what you're going to want to do is go back to the Bukkit. Go back to, god dang it. Okay, so this is what you're going to want to do. Go back to Google. And you know how it said Bukkit, and under Bukkit Forms, you'll see all this. I'll show you guys how to get plugins in another video. So you're want to click on setting up a server. This is instructions, but I'll leave the code in the description below. So, what in the world? What's all this stuff? Only for advanced users. Well, I have no freaking clue what they're using, so this, we just want to go to this. And yes, Linux is kind of weird, but they use like the same exact commands, basically, almost, as Mac. Almost, see, almost. So you just want to copy that code, enough babbling from me. Copy that. Now you're going to want to open up the application text edit. You can find it in here, the application thing, or you could just search it and just click T, hover over it and click enter. Then we'll open up text edit, new document, and now you're going to want to shift command T. Did I just do shift T? Oh, why do I keep doing that? Okay, shift command T. So it'll go into plain text, or you could just do format, make rich text, or you could just do, make sure it says make rich text, or else it'll not be in plain text. Make sure it's in plain text mode like this. So you're not babbling. Again, Command V, make it say that. Now you're going to want to copy files as like what its name is. Just Command C. Come on. Okay. Now you're going to want to delete that. And then you're going to want to do Command V. Oh, whoops. Okay, space there. And a space there. Command S. I'm going to save it as start.command. Whatever, just name it anything, but you have to save it as a .command file. This is what will allow you to start up your server. Command Q. Drag that into there. Whoops, don't drag that into there yet, but you can if you want. But that's not, we're not done yet, because it won't be able to execute it. It won't do anything. Now we're just want to go to Utilities, Terminal. Make sure to open up Terminal. And then you're going to want to type in chmod a space A plus X space drag that start dot command into there. So it says that. So it has your directory and stuff or whatever, blah, 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 blah. Then you want to click enter to execute the command. Now you drag into the bucket.server, or the bucket server, this folder, and then you're going to open that up. It'll say loading libraries. Once all these files open up, it'll ask you to agree to the Euala.txt. Wait for it to pop up. See the logs? All the folders and stuff will pop up now. Well, not all. And then you just want to command Q out of that. Open up the Euala.txt. And then you're going to want it to say true. Command S. And click the X again. Oh my gosh. Then you want to click X. There. Now you start your server again like that. We're getting close to being done, guys. We're getting close. We're getting close to having your own bucket server. Let it start up and make all the files. What the? I haven't even given it an IP yet. That's why. First, you just want to open it up with TextEdit, the server.properties. Of course, you want to give it an IP. And mine'll be 25.17. This is my Hamachi IP. Because it won't let me run it on the port 25565, I'll make it 25566. And now if I start up the server again, then it should work. Because I just changed the port. That shouldn't happen to you unless you already have a server, which I deleted mine that had that, but it's in the trash. So there. Now it's creating all the files you need to have your server. How beautiful. Just kidding. Let's wait for all this stuff to load up. And then I'll tell you something very, very important once it's all done. Once it says process complete. Or whatever. Once it says done, see? This is what you're going to want to do. You don't command Q, you don't make it execute. This is what you're going to want to do. You'll want to type in stop. Not stop. Stop. Because then it will stop the server. Like, close the, well, not close, but it will stop the server, so yeah, it's very important because it could ruin your server if you don't type in stop. And if you're in game already, you could do /stop and just stop. Once it says process completed, command Q. Now since I already gave mine an IP, I gave it my Hamachi IP. It's probably the best port forwarding network, like the best port forwarding application. Couldn't get it out. Okay. It's probably the best port forwarding application I've ever found on the interwebs. Yes, interwebs. And you just want to, once you join your friend's network, or if you create a network and they join yours, yes, networks, you have networks. And, yeah, so once they're in your network, or you're in their network, you get it. Then it should, automatically allow you onto their server. You just need their IP. And if I open up Minecraft, oh wait, the server's not even up. I'll start up the server. Okay, come on. Once it starts up the launcher, and since I'll just make it 1.7.10, it will open up Minecraft. If you have a cracked version of Minecraft, this won't work because servers don't work on cracked versions of Minecraft. Come on. And then multiplayer. Add server. Delete. So it's already a nice server. Or I could just do direct connect. This is what you're going to want to type in, your IP. 25.1, your Hamachi IP. The Hamachi IP that the server is using. 25.176.236.197. Then my port. Yes, you're going to have to do that every time. 66. Join server. And it should say that I've logged in. See? Server. All up and running. And if you join me, it should work. And let's just OP myself so I can go into creative. Just kidding, but I won't go into creative. But I will have fun now with my friends. Then it will say console opt me, Pekovic. It's a premium account, so I won't be able to change my skin, so I have no clue how to change your skin on a premium account. Not using a website, I don't know how to change it. Die, cows! And now that you know how to make a server, go tell your friends about this video. They'll have plenty of fun with you if they make a server. You can tell them to watch this video, or you can just tell them how to make a server yourself. And I'm just gonna have to stop the video now, and thanks for watching. Have fun with your new Minecraft server, and peace.